So how's this photo? It says it all, right? It's what has become of us today with our email. And it doesn't stop there. We get text messages, Facebook messages, Twitter. I could go on and on. We go through the day, and then it just keeps coming. So look what time it is in this photo, by the way. It could be 5 p.m. or 5 a.m. It doesn't matter, right? The email just keeps on coming. So what can we do about it? And how do we keep ourselves organized enough to actually address it all? So what are some of the issues about why you want to manage your email? So let's do an exercise real quick. Do something fun. I want you to write down a few problems or issues that you face because your email isn't organized in some way. So go ahead, take a couple seconds. What's the first thing that comes to your mind?